when you install machinery, should you not have an AMC? Have you signed an AMC? They have no AMC. Why have you not signed an AMC with the same person? Why did you not sign an AMC? How can you have a machinery? How can you have a machinery without an AMC? Even a small computer has an AMC today.
There is no regular demand, madam, for this.
That's what you think.
No, sir. No, madam.
That's what you think. I have a procedure complaint. That's why I've come here. I have come here because there is a complaint. You understand? When people find this out of order, that's when you go there. They go there, they complain that they go there because this is not available.
This is available, madam.
Oh, it's not available for last 6 months.
6
It's not
months
available. So 6 months only. 6 months only means lots of money gone because some people may want it here. That's what I'm trying to say.
Whenever dead body, there is no obstacle here.
Here is an obstacle because they know it's not functioning. What is your name?
Rama.
You are not understanding. It's not going into your head what I'm saying. When they know it's not functioning, naturally they'll go there. They can't remain with the dead body. This guy is the one who's running. What records do they maintain? No, you maintain. Are they maintain no records?
No, ma'am. Just put this. They don't maintain any register, ma'am. Bill ஏதாவது போட்டு கொடுக்குறீங்க. ஒரு பாடி எவ்வளவு போடுறீங்க?
2500 அவங்க சில இடத்துல
Saying that he is getting 2500 per body.
No, show me the receipt. Show me the receipt book. Who does the money go to? Who does the money go to? When they charge, where does the money go to? Whose land is that?
Our land.
Then why should your municipality not get the money? They can be paid. This is the money to you and the money they can be paid. People make a choice whether somebody can come to electric crematorium or the mail. It's a family choice. But family choice must get a receipt for whatever money they paid. And the rates have to be fixed by the municipality. They have to fix the rates. They have not fixed the rates so far.
The entire point is here.
Why are you not doing this basic municipal duty? It's a basic municipal duty. You are failing to do your basic municipal duty. How much does the electric crematorium cost?
850.
And how much does that cost? You don't even know that.
No, madam, we are not fixing that.
The point is then you do not know. That's why it's charged there. It's heavily charged. Because.
We are not able to fix that, madam.
But are you aware how much is charged per head? Are you aware? Then.
Definitely it is higher than.
The point is you do not even know how much is charged. You've not fixed it. You've not regulated it. People are fleeced. It's like anybody who asks, it's given the money. Money is given. Because then you are not in a position. You are crying. Or are you negotiating? You are crying. And how will you negotiate?
Government has to fix the rate.
You are the government. You are government. You are the government. You don't understand that you are government. Who is government? Government is not outside us. You are already the government. You neither do an AMC, nor do you know the rate which is being charged, nor do you regulate it. So naturally somebody who's coming crying with their loved one, is he in a position to negotiate?
No, ma'am.
He will pay whatever that man asks. That is where the exploitation is. And you are the government. You don't realize you are the government.